Good morning, PRüF community. It is Wednesday, May 12th, and we have another community update for you. So anyway, the snapshot done last week on the 7th, so that means that all of the holding addresses and their balances have been recorded as of May 7th, and all of those balances will be eligible for the token split, which leads us into the next thing, when splitter. Please be patient. We will release the splitter when it's time to do so. We'll make sure that it doesn't create an inconvenience for anyone by being late or anything like that. It's not going to be necessary to have your tokens split for any reason before the token splitter is ready. So we'll make sure that comes out at the right time. Now, the reason why we're delaying it, or we're not doing it immediately, I should say, is that if we do it right now, obviously we could get it out there probably within a couple of weeks here, no problem. Yeah, after we get the contract audited, we will need to send that out to be audited, but that'll be done in a few days, typically, something like that. But what we want to do is we want to incorporate any features and incorporate any EVM compiler upgrades or anything like that in the token splitter, because that will likely reduce gas costs for users and increase functionality. We may be doing some other infrastructure changes depending on our IDO platform's selection that is coming out. As we'll be making that decision after we see the results of the poll. So anything like that may need to be incorporated in the splitter to simplify operations and reduce gas costs for users. So that's why it's not already out there, is because we have to try to think about how we're going to economize this for everyone, and also we want to take advantage of the latest EVM compiler upgrades, which often reduce gas costs by using a newer version of the compiler. So as time goes on, we just get better compilers, lower gas costs, and more secure operations. So anyway, there's not really any big hurry. That just needs to be done and out there before the new staking or the IDO, and that will be done. So please be patient and recognize that we are working to maximize the value of the token for token holders and to minimize your costs associated with operating within the network. Okay, so that brings us to the IDO, of course. So when listing, first we're going to see the poll results, and then we'll be talking to our advisors, and we'll be making a decision as to our IDO platform. We're pretty excited about that. I think I know where we're going to go, but I think I know where the poll results are headed and where it's going to look like a good place to go, and I'm really excited about that, but I'm not going to say anything yet. It's not time, but soon. Okay, anyway, so I'm really excited to see the poll results. I think we're going to have those in a day or two here, and then we'll be making some announcements. Certainly by the next community announcement, we'll have some more concrete information for everyone, so that'll be exciting. Okay, so anyway, what are we up to? Well, I am neck deep in publicity. We got AMAs, 2 or 3 scheduled a week, external AMAs with different communities. We will be publishing those. I encourage everyone in the community to participate. You can win prizes out there. You can win PRüF. You can win. I think they're going to be doing a lot of it in USDT. I don't know, a bunch of different tokens. The rewards are going to be in. So that's exciting stuff. Certainly, we would like our community to be involved. So get out there on the AMAs that we'll be publishing in the announcements chat and participate in those, and let's see what we can do there. Also, I have interviews coming up. I had a really great interview with Cardano Citizen just a couple days ago. I think that has already been published or will be published in a day or two. We'll make sure that that information gets out into the channel. So that's a great interview. It's kind of a long one, but I encourage everyone to go and take a look, because you get a sort of an inside glimpse as to how we think and where we're headed and where this project came from. A lot of good background information in there, and I just encourage everyone to go listen to that podcast. And we'll make sure that there's a link to that, the Cardano Citizen podcast. So Valen, as you're editing this, go ahead and stick a link down below. All right. So anyway, so we've been working on restructuring some of our token allocations to build more value for token holders. we'll probably be reducing the total IDO amount to be more in line with modern IDO practices, basically. Moving away from the 2018 model and up to what is currently going on in the industry. So we'll be probably doing some reallocation there. I believe we're going to be reallocating a big chunk of those IDO funds into a stakeholder fund. So that's going to be really interesting. We're going to be creating a mechanism for early staking rewards. The PRüF node staking is based on a mature ecosystem to where people are staking on operational nodes that are generating revenue. Obviously, in early stages, there's not going to be a lot of those. So we're creating this early staking opportunity rewards for people to stake and stabilize value for the token after the IDO. That'll be funded by funds that are held back specifically for that purpose. There's going to be some fantastic double-digit rewards available there, and so that's really exciting. And I hope that everyone will decide to participate. Let's see here. We're working on the exact metrics of the token distribution and the rewards percentages and things like that. We're working on that with our advisors, and we will make an official announcement about those things. If not in the next community update, then it would be in the next one, but it should be fairly soon. Okay, on the development side, we're excited to say that we have mainnet Arweave integration now. So we're fully integrated on the mainnet Arweave blockchain over on our application now. We've been doing a lot of internal auditing on the contracts, getting them ready to send out for the external audit. We've got a test release in testing right now with our testing group. That's going on, and the beta libraries and the documentation for the libraries have been released. So those are starting to be integrated now by third parties. We're starting to see some of our flagship partnership projects come online. So we have a partnership that I want to announce probably next weekend. Our next community update. I can say this week that he is a world-renowned fine art photographer. He's got their works are in the Getty, in the Smithsonian. This is an extremely high-profile fine art photographer, and we're going to be working with him to create durable blockchain assets to accompany his fine art photography. So that's a really exciting partnership, and we will be doing a full announcement on that in the upcoming days. Anyway, I think that's about it. I'm just excited about all the buzz going on and community growth. We're seeing new members in the community every day, and I expect that once we start getting these AMAs rolling out, I think we have one starting tomorrow, or maybe I think tomorrow we have an external AMA going on. We're going to start seeing a lot of influx from those projects and from the interviews. So pretty excited about that, and I look forward to talking to you guys next week. Have a great day.